Hello everybody, I'm Josh Cork. This is your Blue Edge Energy weekly market update. I'm dressed in a hat. It has been very cold in this house over the last week, and I think you all know why, so let's jump into it. The current gas price is trading at $2.86.8. That's down 6.7 cents since last week alone. Meanwhile, the February gas contract rolled off the book, if you remember back, at $2.76 a decatherm. When we look at the rest of this year, 2021, assuming equal volumes throughout the summer and the next winter, the price is at about $2.90, up 2.8 cents since last week. Not a whole lot of movement even with this cold weather. The winter of 2021-22 is currently at $3.11, up 1.6 cents since last week. The 2022 calendar strip price, $2.72.4. That's up 2 cents since last week alone. And when we look to the winter, even after that, it is priced at $2.76.1, up 3 cents since last week. Let's talk about the storage report. The EIA storage report this week showed a 171 BCF withdrawal from the ground inventory, and that was below what was expected for the week. But the big Mama Jamba is going to come here in the next week. Now this puts our current overall inventory at 2,518 BCF. We are negative 9 BCF above where we were last year and plus 152 above the 5-year moving average. Now let's talk about the regional cash out prices. We are seeing physical gas right now trading at $4 a decatherm in Chicago, up about $1.15 since last week. And meanwhile, for folks on the northern natural gas side on the western part of the state, it's almost $7 right now a decatherm. That's up over $2.10 since last week alone. We're going to talk about that in a minute, so pay attention. Weather. Well, the Wisconsin weather short term is looking a whole lot like the national weather term, which is extremely cold weather and below normal average temperatures. Going in, it just kind of keeps getting dragged out in Wisconsin here. Our cold weather, which we thought would be over by early next week, looks like it'll precipitate until later next week. So this is the perfect week to discuss the difference between the NYMEX future prices and the regional cash out prices for natural gas. The NYMEX price is for gas to be delivered in the future, and more precisely, for gas to be delivered in the future at Henry Hub in southern Louisiana. Now usually the regional cash out price correlates very closely to the NYMEX Louisiana price. However, during periods of extreme cold weathers like we're having now, we see the regional demand spike and the gas prices can diverge significantly. This happens while gas is plentiful in the US. The ability to deliver it is limited by the size of the gas pipelines themselves that kind of crisscross our nation. So furthermore, as cold weather persists like we're having here, the ability of those same lines, they're finite, to deliver gas starts to decrease. And even as we write this here, Chicago gas now is above $8 at the end of this day and $15 for northern natural gas at this point. And we're not even close with this cold weather being finished yet, so we don't know where prices on that market's going to go. Now the gas that you pre-purchase continues to flow at the first of the month hedge priced, but as we've noted previously, any daily gas taken above those pre-purchase volumes, and we do overshoot in the winter, would be priced at the higher regional cash out price. Now with the cold weather persisting, these prices are expected to continue to increase, maybe even more significantly. So we again urge everyone, take all the reasonable things you can do to conserve energy, turn your thermostat back, maybe choke off some of that fresh air and things like that to a degree that you can in your schools and businesses and so forth. If you have any questions, reach out to myself, Blake, and on behalf of all of us here, stay warm, everybody. We appreciate you. We're thinking about you. On behalf of TJ, Karen, Blake, and myself, God bless and have a good weekend.